Let's learn Gaelic. Good took us to Fáilte Road. You're very welcome to this lesson, and now we're going to learn some more basic conversational Irish. And if you've seen my previous video, I taught you how to say hello and how are you, and let's say ask someone how they are. Now you can answer this with Táimid go maith, I'm good. Táimid go brá, I am fine. Táimid go hianta, I am wonderful. Táimid mór go leor, I'm okay. And also you can use Táimid Cart Glór for okay. Táimid go dana, I'm not doing so well. Now you're going to ask the other person how they are. Agus tá féin, and that means and yourself. And you can also stick it onto the how are you. So conas atá tú féin, Cadú mar atá tú féin, and Ken hi a bhfuil tú féin. Or you could do conas atá tasa. Tasa is the emphatic form of you, so how are you? In response to how are you. How are you? And then you ask how are you, emphasized. And thank you in Irish is Gur mahagat. Gur mahagat. Many thanks. Gur mila mahagat. So thank you once again for listening to my video, and Gur mila mahagat. Slán.